Alrighty, quick walkthrough of the garden before I leave. So my chamomile is looking lovely. I really don't have anything planted in this bed. I just haven't planted anything in here. Gardening has been kind of secondary this year. Too many other things in my mind. There's my melon, flowers, basil, peppers, marigolds, tomatoes. You can see I was deadheading today. My strawberries looking sad and pathetic. I'll deal with them when I get back. A couple more tomatoes. I trimmed all my tomatoes up today and I think they're all tied up, and I pulled all the suckers off. Not on my cherry tomatoes over here, but on everything else. Dave's gonna pull up my garlic if we ever get more than 2 days of dry in a row. Hopefully it's not rotted by then. What are you? I don't know what you are. I'm getting a few holes in my grape leaves. I haven't trimmed them yet. I'll do that also when I get back. Trim some of these great big leaves off. I have been keeping an eye out for fruit or flowers. I did find some fruit and I pulled it off. Rhubarb could be harvested any time. We'll see if it's any good when I get back. I'm not going to make Dave take care of that. Peppers looking pretty sad. They're looking pretty sad. They're not very happy yet. They are starting to flower, and I'm just going to let them. I know that they're small and pathetic, and that my peppers will probably end up being small and pathetic. But if I don't let them flower now, I don't think I'll get any pepper production at all. My onions are mostly doing good, although you can see every once in a while I have one that's been kind of dug up. Shows up. I get the odd weed. And then these down here, still, I get something that comes in here and flips them over. I don't know what the heck is up with that. I have had to throw a few of them away because they've started going soft in the middle, which indicates to me that they've been pulled out too many times. We'll see if this one sticks this time. If it doesn't, it's gonna be pulled out. What is this? Oh, this is an onion starting to come up here. So anyway, those are looking okay. My celery has totally gone to flower, which I was expecting. Look at that. I'm hoping that it doesn't go fully to seed until I get back. I don't want to pull it now because it's definitely going to go to seed, of course, right? That's what it does after it flowers. So, it's taller than I am. Of course, it is in like a 3-foot bed, so. Anyway, let's go over here and look at the in-ground garden. Most of my perennials are doing good. You can see I've got that dang straw coming up everywhere. That's super frustrating in this straw that's not supposed to grow straw. Do I have anything on here yet? I thought I saw something on here. I was just watching. Oh, what do we got there? Got a helicopter. Anyway, I was at Gail's Live earlier, and Adrian from Indiana Backyard Gardener was on there. And she said that when her flowers start getting too many males, she comes in and starts picking the males off to encourage the plant to produce. Now, I do have one female here on this. No idea what this plant is. I thought it was a pumpkin. That does not look much like a pumpkin, so I don't know. I don't think there's anything on here yet except for males. I've not seen, oh, yep, there's something, look at that. Something right there. So we'll leave that, see what happens. Ooh. See this? It's got a bunch of eggs on it. So I have been watching for those when I come out here and pulling them off. And I just take them over here and dump them in the trash. So far, no big bug outbreaks. I'll just keep my fingers crossed. And on here, I've got several little melons that are popping up, and they seem to be growing. So I'm going to let them. I don't know what'll happen if my melon and my pumpkin cross-pollinate. That might be bad. What is in there? Some kind of creepy something in there. Oh, look at that. Just turn it over and there's a worm. Anyway. Yeah, so my perennials are doing fine. My chives are coming back. My parsley looks good. My lavender looks good. The only thing that's pissed me off is this grass. Anyway, these things are determined to flower every time I come out here, and I've pulled the flowers off them several times, but they are determined to flower, so I'm just going to let them. Maybe they're designed to flower the first year. I don't know. I'm going to let them know. My sunflower. And there you have it. That's my garden before I leave on my 10-day trek across the province. So, enjoy.